What is up people, this is your tech guy here, and in this video I'll be talking about the Redmi Note 9 Pro key specifications that are leaked ahead of launch. So in this video we will see the specifications of the phone. So without wasting any more time, let's dive straight into the video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then what are you guys waiting for? Just go down and hit that subscribe button so that every time I upload the video, you will be the first one to get notified. Redmi Note 9 series specifications have been leaked ahead of its launch in China on November 26. The series is expected to launch the support of 5G and be different in specification and design than the Redmi Note 9 series launch in other markets. The Redmi Note 9 Pro model is expected to launch alongside two other models in the Redmi Note 9 series. The Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G model is now reported to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G SoC. Other key specifications of the phone have also been leaked. A user on Weibo going by the name IT Charm has leaked a poster that offers specification details of the Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G. The poster claims that the phone may have an LCD display with 120Hz refresh rate. It is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 750G SoC and have a 108MP primary sensor. The phone is reported to pack 4820 mAh battery with 33W fast charging support. The poster also claims that there will be 3.5mm audio jack support and offers NFC. It is also leaked to support high-resolution audio. Redmi General Manager have also hinted that the Redmi Note 9 Pro may be powered by the Snapdragon 750G SoC. He reposted a post from Qualcomm that talked about the processor. However, he didn't mention the exact model that will integrate the SoC. Tipster Digital Chat Station separately shared on Weibo that the Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G may have a quad camera setup that is expected to include a 108MP main camera, a super wide angle lens, a telephoto lens and a macro lens. He added that the specifications of the other sensor are not that good, but they are relatively thin and cheap. Redmi's official Weibo account has been sharing teasers ever since it's announced that 3 models in the Redmi Note 9 series are launching on November 26. One post that confirms that Girl Band Flourish show will be performing at the event. Another confirms that Webbing will be hosting a unique talk show to launch the 3 phones. There is also another post that hinted that the 108MP rear camera setup. The launch event will begin at 8 PM local time, that is 5:30 PM according to Indian Standard Timing. So that was my take on the Redmi Note 9 Pro specification. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Please do like and share it with your friends. Stay tuned till the next update, and as always, #peace out.